Hello everyone, I'm Ms.Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor.
Do you have any experience that you are in a hazardous or a delicate situation? Gigi, how's everything with you and your mom? It's totally walking on thin ice these days. I knew it. You freaked her out. How come did you come back home at 2 in the morning with your phone off? It was just a Coco's birthday party. Shh. I know. I made a huge mistake. It won't happen again. Why don't you cook for her or write a letter as an apology? I'll give it a try, everything I can. Oh boy, no wonder Chi-Chi's mom is so mad at Chi-Chi. In this case, Chi-Chi might be at risk and act extra carefully. There is the very same expression in Korean. It's 살얼음판을 걷다. When you look at the word 살얼음판, it means thin ice. 걷다 is to walk, so it literally means walking on thin ice. And the context is also the same. Listen carefully and repeat this expression together. 살얼음판 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 살얼음판을 걷다 살얼음판을 걷다 살얼음판을 걷다 Good job. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. 집 분위기가 살얼음판이야. We have to be extra careful. The business is not so good, so as a part-timer, 나는 요새 살얼음판을 걷고 있어.
Don't forget to practice
살얼음판을 걷다.
in your daily life, and I hope to see you again soon.
And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Miss Kiki's channel so we can meet every Wednesday and Saturday.
Thanks for watching. Bye!